Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivalinga Swami Salimat. I am a consultant pulmonologist, chest physician working at Trustwell Hospitals, JC Road, Bangalore. Today I am going to talk to you about a common disease which is bothering the mankind called COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It is most commonly seen in people who do smoking, especially BD, cigarette or any sort of smoking exposure. Someone who is working in industries which has exposure to fumes and especially in rural areas where there is chronic biomass fuel exposure. The main symptoms of this disease is chronic cough for more than 2 years with sputum production, difficulty in breathing while walking, climbing upstairs, walking uphill. Their muscles starts becoming weak, and also these patients will become so weak eventually they'll become breathless to even to do their daily routine activities. So how do we diagnose COPD? We do something called spirometry. Patient has to go through a small spirometry machine which will give us some graphs and numbers will tell us what is the level of obstruction, what is the severity of obstruction, and we can diagnose COPD. And the mainstay of treatment for this disease is use of inhaled medications. Inhalers help in preventing the airway inflammation as well as reducing the bronchospasm. Quitting smoking is the most important thing. Avoiding exposure to industrial fumes and biomass fuel is also the most important thing in preventing the further disease progression. Nutrition plays a very important role. Good nutrition helps in building muscle strength as well as maintaining good quality of life. Pulmonary rehabilitation, especially strengthening the respiratory muscles, upper and lower muscles, help in improving the quality of life in these COPD patients. Vaccinations play a very important role, especially influenza vaccine, pneumococcal vaccine, herpes zoster vaccine, DPT vaccines. They help in preventing infections which are more common in COPD patients and also help in boosting their immunity. So someone who is having these symptoms, please meet a pulmonologist, diagnose whether you have COPD or not. If diagnosed to have COPD, use inhalers on a regular basis, maintain good nutrition and take vaccination so that you can have a good quality of life. Thank you.